Hello guys, this is a tutorial video, and in this video I will show you about the basics features of the PixelLab application. So without wasting time, let's get started. Tap on the icon to open the text panel. Tap on the delete button and press OK to delete the selected text. Tap on the plus icon to add a new text layer. Tap on Style button, then press Browse, and select a style. Press the Undo button to go back to the previous step. Tap on the Edit button to edit the text. Tap on the Copy button to add a copy of the selected text. Let's give a style to the text to understand the next function. Press the To Back button to send the selected text layer to the back. And press the To Front button to bring the selected text layer to the front. Press the Position button to change the position of the selected layer. Just watch and try to understand. Now press the Relative Position button to change the position. Just watch how it works, and try to understand. Tap on the Size button to increase or decrease the size of the selected text layer. Now press the Padding button. Just watch and try to understand how it works. Now tap on the Color button to apply a new color to the text. Here you can select particular alphabets or words from the text layer to apply different color. Now press the Gradient button to apply a gradient color to the text. Now tap on the plus icon to edit the gradient color. Just watch and try to understand. It might be a little bit difficult, but don't worry, I will provide a separate video about the function of the gradient color. Press the Texture button to apply a texture to the text layer. Let's see how it works. You can keep it by tapping on the right icon. To delete, go to Texture and tap Delete to delete the texture. Press the opacity button to change the opacity. Now enable the effect shadow button, and watch how it works. Just try to understand. Tap on the rotate button to rotate the text. Now you can see, this is the mask button. It takes more time to understand this function, so I will provide another video to understand the mask function. Let's go to the next function. Press the font button to apply different fonts to the selected text. Tap on the style icon to make the text bold, italic or underlined. And tap this button to reset the change. Tap on the curve icon and see how it works. And press the right icon to keep the change. Press the background button to apply a background to the text. Just watch and try to understand. Let's type some words and lines to understand the next function. Now press the Align button and see how it works. Now press the spacing button and see how it works. You can change the distance between the alphabets. Tap on the Words button to change the distance between the words. Tap on the Line Spacing button to change the distance between the lines. Press the Stroke button to apply strokes to the selected text. Strokes means the outline. Press the Gradient button to apply a gradient color to the stroke or outline of the text. Here you can disable it. Tap on the Shadow button to apply a shadow to the text. Let's see how it works. Press the Inner Shadow button to apply the shadow inside the text. Don't you understand? Let's apply on another text. Tap on the Emboss button to apply a 3D effect to the text. Watch and try to understand how it works. Tap on the perspective button, and let's see how it works. Tap on the 3D rotation button to rotate the text over 3-dimensional axis. Press the 3D shadow button to give the selected text a 3D shadow effect. Tap on the reflection button to add a reflection of the selected text. Tap on the 3D text button to apply a 3D effect to the selected text.